lonely man, Cheyenne, will your heart stay free and light? Dream, Cheyenne, of a girl.
Buenas tardes, interrumpimos la programación. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología en San Juan ha emitido un aviso de inundaciones repentinas para los municipios de Culebra, Vieques, San Tomás, San John y Santa Cruz hasta las 10 de la noche de hoy. A las 13:45 p.m. el radar de Doppler indicaba lluvia torrencial asociada con el paso del huracán Georges, moviéndose a través del área bajo aviso. Cantidades adicionales de lluvia en exceso de 3 a 4 pulgadas son de anticiparse. Windy interrupted programming. Bulletin Emergency Alert System activation requested flash flood warning. The National Weather Service in San Juan has issued a flash flood warning for Culebra, Vieques, St. Thomas, San John, and St. Croix until 10 p.m. this evening. At 3:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated torrential rainfall associated with Hurricane Georges moving across the warning area. Additional rainfall amounts in excess of 3 to 4 inches will occur. And now we go back to our normal programming. Y ahora regresamos a nuestra programación.
Move along, Cheyenne, like the restless cloud up above. The wind that blows and comes and goes has been your only home. But will the wild wind one day cease and you no longer roam? Move along, Cheyenne, next pasture's always so green. Drifting on, Cheyenne, don't forget the things you have seen and where